Agriculture in Australia is close to a $100 billion industry. That's a very significant contributor to the Australian economy.
We are seen as the food belt for the world in many ways. And one of the great things about that is the way that we have trust in the way that we bring clean and sustainable food to the table. One of our key values is being able to be part of that reliable and predictable and safe food delivery to everybody.
We're very proud that we can play a significant role in contributing to that part of the economy.
Bayer's had a physical manufacturing presence in Australia for over 50 years, and we've been supporting Australian farmers for that long. We make herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. Some are in broadacre, some are in horticulture, some of them are in specialty industrial products.
Farmers are really facing a whole heap of challenges, and without the right tools, the yields or the quality of their production can be dramatically reduced.
As we see the demands for food and fibre ever increasing as the population of the world goes up, what we're also seeing is that the pressure put back on farmers to be able to deliver that is also going up.
So they do need a whole range of different products that can improve the profitability, improve the yields and improve the quality of all the food that we enjoy in Australia, but also the food that we export around the world. It's really important development of new products. And so there's very few companies in agriculture, in crop protection products like Bayer, that has the capacity to be able to do the R&D involved to bring new products. The wonderful thing about the Australian environment for agriculture is that we have great regulation around the safety of our food, and Bayer takes that incredibly seriously.
The problems that we have now are very different to the problems we had 60 years ago or 100 years ago. And as things evolve, Bayer continues to do research and provide innovative products to help solve those problems as we go forward. We look at whole systems, so it's not just a simple product being applied to a simple plant. We look at be it the yield of a crop, or we look at pest pressure that's coming onto a crop that can dramatically affect the outcome for a farmer. That's what they're looking for Bayer products to go and get help with and provide a solution.
Having local manufacture, we can be really flexible, and there's always times throughout the year where farmers are requiring more product, and we're able to go back quickly and manufacture and supply so that farmers can get on and use it. It's a really key factor for Bayer to have that Australian-made logo. It means so much. It does instill a lot of trust in the manufacture of that product.
A trust that farmers understand what they're going to get, how it was produced, the quality of all the ingredients that were put into it, and the supply chain that delivered it. One of the key pieces that we have is health for all, hunger for none, and that is one of the key values that drives us.
We love working in agriculture. It's such an amazing industry to be part of. We have a really strong purpose, and the purpose to produce food, to have vibrant economies in rural regions is so important, and we love being part of that.